Field surveyors play a crucial role in gathering accurate and reliable data for various projects and developments. In the Dadri Noida region, field surveyors are in high demand due to the rapid urbanization and infrastructure growth taking place in the area. These professionals are responsible for collecting information about land and property boundaries, topography, and other relevant data that is essential for planning and designing construction projects. The Dadri Noida region, located in the state of Uttar Pradesh, is witnessing significant industrial and residential development. With the expansion of industries and the establishment of new townships, the need for field surveyors has become paramount. These professionals are required to conduct surveys to determine the boundaries of land parcels, assess the suitability of sites for construction, and provide accurate measurements for planning purposes. Bengaluru, also known as the Silicon Valley of India, is another city where field surveyors are in high demand. With its booming IT sector and steady growth in real estate, Bengaluru offers numerous opportunities for field surveyors to showcase their expertise. These professionals are involved in conducting surveys for residential and commercial projects, ensuring that the proposed construction adheres to legal requirements and regulations. One important aspect of field surveying in both Dadri Noida and Bengaluru is SCON design. SCON, which stands for Site Control Network, is a framework of control points established by field surveyors to ensure accuracy and consistency in their measurements. These control points serve as reference points for subsequent surveys and help maintain uniformity across different projects. They use global positioning system, GPS, devices, total stations, and other cutting-edge equipment to collect precise measurements and record data. Field surveyors are essential to the collection of precise and trustworthy data for several projects and advancements. Field surveyors are in high demand in the Dadri Noida region because of the area's quick urbanization and infrastructure expansion. These specialists are in charge of gathering data on terrain, property lines, and other pertinent information that is necessary for planning and developing construction projects. The state of Uttar Pradesh's Dadri Noida region is experiencing rapid industrial and residential growth. Field surveyors are in high demand as a result of industry growth and the creation of new townships. These experts must carry out surveys to establish the borders of land parcels, judge whether a site is suitable for construction, and offer precise measurements for planning. The Silicon Valley of India, Bengaluru, is another place where there is a great demand for field surveyors. Bengaluru has several possibilities for field surveyors to demonstrate their skills because to its thriving IT sector and consistent expansion in the real estate market. They gather exact measurements and keep track of information using cutting-edge tools like total stations, GPS devices, and other gear. They also have experience with using specialist software for data analysis and mapping. In order to acquire precise and trustworthy data,